Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. This is Andy Tuttle with the Tuttle Group at Oak Mortgage reaching out to you again. Wanted to do a quick video here and talk about 2015. And I really want to set you up and get you excited about some things because I want you to crush 2015. Not just beat a little, not just maintain, but crush it. And the numbers are showing that it's not only possible, but it's probable. So let's get right to it. I'm going to try to make this short, but I think there's some powerful numbers and there's some data here you're going to want to use with your clients to help them act now too, because there's some valuable stuff in here for them. So let's get going. Okay, if you look at the numbers here, existing home sales from January of this year through September, they've skyrocketed. We all knew that was going to happen in the summertime. Anyway, we saw that. We experienced it. A lot of you, I know, working 60, 70, 80 hours a week, even with teams to help manage all of the multiple offers and all the craziness. So you've seen that, but what I think you'll be excited about is what's coming in, what's here in the winter right now. Pending home sales, we've seen that jump and maintain in September as well. Here's an interesting one because it's an indicator of future sales. If you look from July of last year, we saw the dip at the very beginning of this year in the winter. It was rough on everyone, and then March and July, August, but look at September. Look at that foot traffic, what's going on right now. And as you know, as it reaches September, October, November, the buyers that are looking right now and have been looking the last month or so, they're not tire kickers, they're not window shoppers. Those guys are out shopping for Christmas right now and holidays. They're not shopping just to kick tires on houses. So they're serious buyers. So this is interesting too. So look at last year, pending home sales. It's slowly July, August, and September ticked down. Now it's kind of stabilized in 2014, a little different model. Same with foot traffic. July, August, September last year, very flat, all 3 months, steadily increase in foot traffic. The momentum is building in the marketplace, and we're going to show you how to take advantage of that going into 2015 so you can have the best year you've ever had and have the best kickoff you've ever had. So mortgage credit availability, this is why it's important to you. As the foot traffic increases, one of the reasons that's happening is because mortgage credit availability is loosening up. There's getting more buyers are able to get into the market, and we want to show you how to capitalize on that. Look at the average FICO scores just in the last 3 years. A steady decrease. More buyers are able to buy there. They're getting into the market more and more and more, and it's really going to culminate this coming year. Same for FHA. 2012, you actually had to have a 700 credit score. It was the average credit score to buy an FHA loan. Now it's average is 680s. Of course, you can buy FHA loans now in the 600s, 580s per FHA. Most lenders 600, 620s minimum. Either way, great. Now, this is interesting. Mel Watt, the director of the Federal Housing Finance Agency, has a powerful statement here for you looking in 2015. To increase access for credit-worthy but lower wealth borrowers, FHFA is also working with the enterprises, Fannie and Freddie, to develop sensible and responsible guidelines for mortgages with loan-to-value ratios between 95 and 97%. So this means that now, this year, you can now get a gift for 5% down from family or friends for the 5% down payment you got to have for conventional. But now they're looking at doing 3% down. So really getting aggressive with the people that can borrow. The interest rates, as you can see, in a great range. Mortgage interest rates are projected to go up by all Fannie, Freddie, Mortgage Bankers Association, National Association of Realtors actually predicts it's going to be the highest. But in the next year, quarter by quarter, we're seeing a steady increase in interest rates. Why is this important? And everybody believes it. Interest rates are not going to rise super far, but they're going to rise. Why is this important to you? So this is why it's important. Everybody's believing interest rates are going to rise. If you look, only less than half people thought they were going to rise. If you look at the surveys done in the first quarter, now in the third quarter being done, 62% believe they're going to increase. Freddie, we see, they think they're going to increase. Well, here's why it matters. Look what it does to the payment of your average $250,000 mortgage, right? It means that if they buy a house now for $250,000 at 4% roughly, versus next year when steadily 3 to 4% increase in appreciation at a higher rate, that's $166 in payments different on that home. That's $2,000 annually. That's $60,000 over time. I'm telling you this because you got to be the people that connect the dots. You have to connect the dots with you and your buyer, and we help you do that on our side to connect the dots to show them, hey, guess what? If you wait, it's going to cost you more money. You're going to pay more for the house, and it's going to cost you more. And here's another way to show that. Look at the buyer purchasing power. Look at the bottom left quadrant here, 3.75% and a $926 payment. Next year, to keep that same payment, if it goes up a point, which is going to be from basically 4 to 5%, to keep the same payment, you're going to have to drop $20,000 in price to $25,000, so 10% wherever you're at. You can see that on a $400,000 loan too. 10%, guys. $20,000 to $40,000 in purchasing price. That's a neighborhood, right? So help them buy now. Everything points to them buying now. Look at the average rates. We've got the lowest rates we've seen. This is it. This summer, this winter, you got serious buyers. Buyer participation is high. Foot traffic is high. Rates are low, but looking to increase. This is the perfect storm. Get out there. Get busy. Don't let the winter fool you. Take advantage of this and make some home sales happen. This is a chart what's going on right now. We're looking for a short-term retraction. I always do the weekly market update with you. And this is a price chart, so the lower this price, the higher the rate. So you see we kind of settled into a sideways trading range here. Want to take advantage of this for your buyers out there shopping. Get out there, sell some homes. Let me know how I can help you with pre-approvals. And guys, if you want to really get serious about this and get some great momentum going into next year, join the Oak Realtor Growth Program. This is our program that we use to help agents. It's a baseline free program to help with sales training, marketing, social media, and all your digital marketing needs, building a team, all those kinds of great sales and business tools. We want to give to you this. It's a weekly webinar. You'll get the past webinars, archives. I teach some sessions. Jason Sherman, our CMO and builder of $1 billion real estate firm, also teaches on this program, and it's a great way to give you some tools, tips, strategies, and tactics on how to grow your business and have a super successful 2015, your best year yet. I want that for you. Contact me at answers@andytuttle.com. No strings attached. We want to get you educated, get you empowered, and get you having a fantastic year. Remember, we are working together right now on any pre-approvals, any of your clients in process, any offers that you make this weekend. Make sure that I get them. We're here for you, and we'll make sure to call the listing agent behind those deals, and we'll be updating you on any contracts that we do have in process to make sure you have a smooth, successful closing. We get those referrals and get you ready and finish this year strong. Have a great weekend. Go sell some homes. Talk to you soon.